Hello and welcome to QuickTipsTo. If you've started to feel that using Chrome on your Android 12 or 13 phone has become much slower, you can do the following steps which can help you improve your experience. So, on your Android phone, go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now tap on See All Apps. Scroll up until you find Chrome. Then tap on it. Now tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. Next, tap on Manage Space. As you can see, I have 1.05 gigabytes of unimportant data. These are stored data, such as sites with no saved settings or sites that I don't visit often. Freeing up this space will free up a lot of space on my phone and will help improve my browsing experience. So I will tap on Free Up Space, then OK. By doing this, I'm restoring Chrome to default and I'm freeing up a lot of space on my phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With QuickTipsTo, knowledge has no limits.